Infantix! Singing, dancing, and learning!
Hello, my darling. It's already time to eat. Today we're going to have pumpkin soup.
Mommy, I don't like pumpkin soup.
Darling, you've never had it before. How do you know you don't like it?
Because I just don't, Mommy. I want to eat pea soup.
Darling, you already had pea soup yesterday. Today, you're having my delicious pumpkin soup. Come on, Mommy is going to start cooking. Let's begin. To make pumpkin soup, first we add the cream. Then turn on the oven and stir. Our next ingredient is the pumpkin. Let's add the pumpkin. Oh no, Mommy forgot to buy pumpkin. Oh my goodness.
Mommy, I'm hungry. Is it going to take long?
Hold on, darling. Wait just a bit. Mommy is going to check what we have. Here we go. We still have some peas. Let's make pea soup again.
Yay! I like peas very much. I love peas. I like peas very much. Mommy, check it out. I ate everything. And I made a big mess too.
Well done, darling. Mommy is very proud of you. I can't believe you made such a mess. Now let's get you cleaned up.
Infantix! Singing, dancing, and learning!